Our next principle is metaprogramming. It simply means two words. It's just out with details. And second thing is highly configurable code. It says that take all details out of the code about data which you're using and just have the bare minimum code logic, so that when you send some data to the code, you can configure how the program you want to run. See, as I told you, meta means referring to something. So you can, for doing this, you can use metadata. Means you can use data to refer to the data what you're going to send. So yeah, and this is probably being used in all the operating system also. In Windows we use suffix.ini, and in Ubuntu we use X Windows Server and other stuff. So we can take this one step further and say that like how you can drive applications via metadata. You can have the same code, and based on the metadata you send, your application can configure and run the way you want. So we can do that also. And this is mainly popularly very much used in databases and servers, where some business logic will change. They will change the metadata to work the way you want. Still the backend code will be the same. And very popular framework for this is EJB, Enterprise Java Beans. So here, right, here they have something called as beans, where you write a code and just put it there. And there is something called as bean deployment descriptor that will take care of load sharing of the all the beans, codes we run, even different geographical locations and all the stuff, how each bean should load and run, and load sharing, everything will take care of. Same thing. And the most surprising thing is this is being used, this metaprogramming has been used in all our computers also. Very popular thing is OS. All OS uses it. Even Windows, Ubuntu, all OSs use the same thing. So what happens is the same OS can be used for all the hardwares. You might have a different hardware, your friend might have a different hardware, a different version, all will run the same OS. So when they boot, they check and boot their drivers also based on the metadata. They change their OS. And this is also used in web browsers also. They do it among themselves. Yes. And to note, just a point to remember, no amount of genius can overcome a preoccupation with detail.